जहानाबाद से सरजील अहमद काकवी प्रारंभ करेंगे एवं सौम्या तोमर जो गया जिले से हैं कृपया तैयार रहेंगी।
दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत परवाज़ मगर रखती है। Dignitaries in the house, members of the jury and future agents of change. Today when I stand here after 75 glorious years of the Indian Constitution, I am reminded of the 11 resolutions of my Honorable Prime Minister. Dear friends, we should stop asking what my country can do for me and start acting on what I can do for my country, which marks the first sankalp as we should, as well as the government should, work together towards their responsibilities and complete them, which will take us to our second sankalp of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Moving forward onto the third sankalp, which I personally consider as the most imperative one, is zero tolerance towards corruption. Corruption that is doing nothing but causing hindrance to the ultimate goal of Viksit Bharat. Now, be it Facebook or be it social media, one thing we Indians are aggressively very proud about is our nationality. We should take equal pride in the laws of this nation as well as follow them, through which will also be freed from the colonial mindset that's been trailing along with us since before independence. Dear friends, we also need to free ourselves from political dynasties and ensure to develop such leaders who will take India towards the progression mark. Now, dear friends, the Constitution was built to be respected, not to be weaponized. And in spirit of the Constitution, the reservations should also be. My mothers and sisters in the house today are a living proof of the ninth Sankalp, women-led development in my country. And I do believe that India will pioneer when it comes to women development on world scale. Now, with sadness, I have to say that I hail from a state that has been made fun of, that has been made jokes of, but has major contributions to this nation. जब वतन को जरूरत थी तब खून से सींचा हमने, आज आई है बाहर तो कहते हो तुम्हारा काम नहीं। बिहार, when I see B, I see Bharat. When I see I see India. As H, I see Hindustan. As A, I see Aryavart. And when I talk about R, तब तो पूरा राष्ट्र मेरे से। Yes, dear friends, राज्य के द्वारा राष्ट्र का निर्माण marks itself as the 10th sankalp, and binding them all together, the 11th sankalp screams Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. I put forward to you a question now. Are these sankalps possible? Are these resolutions achievable? To me, they definitely are, as the fuel for their implementation sits right here, right today behind me in the form of youth of this day. With roars in their voices, powers in their pens, ideas in their minds and a mission at heart. The mission of Viksit Bharat. वतन की फिक्र करना दा मुसीबत आने वाली है, तेरी बर्बादियों के मशवरे हैं आसमानों में, और न समझेंगे तो मिट जाएंगे हम हिंदुस्तान वाले, हमारी दास्तां तक भी न होगी दास्तान।